here's a belief I want to challenge right at the start. Most HVAC contractors think their biggest marketing problem is that they don't have enough reviews, or their website looks outdated, or they're not running enough Google Ads. Those things matter, but typically they're not the root of the problem. The root problem is when somebody in your city types AC repair near me into their phone at 9 p.m. in July, your business isn't showing up. Not because you have a bad business, not because you don't deserve the call, because your local SEO is broken or invisible. In 2026, with every HVAC competitor in your market spending money on Google Ads, the contractors who win are the ones who built the organic foundation that makes them the default answer. Not the paid answer, the default answer. That's what this video is about. I'm gonna give you the 7-step HVAC local SEO playbook, the exact framework I use with service business clients, so that by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to fix, in what order, and why it works. Let's go. HVAC is one of the most competitive local search verticals in the country. You're competing against national brands like ARS and 1 Hour Air. You're competing against private equity-backed regional players who are buying up local companies and dumping money into their digital presence. If you're a small or mid-sized HVAC shop, 10 trucks or fewer, you cannot outspend these guys. You can outrank them locally. On the map pack, those 3 businesses that show up in Google Maps box every time somebody searches for the HVAC service near them, that real estate's winnable. It's not locked up by the national brands. I've watched it happen. One of our clients, a local HVAC company right here in Florida, started with essentially 0% digital exposure, no meaningful visibility, barely any calls from the web, and a website that didn't convert. We came with a simple, aggressive plan, a tightly targeted ad strategy, a strong local citation and backlink campaign, and a refreshed conversion-focused website with clear coupon offers, strong call to actions, and a specific local landing pages focused on the cities, counties, and neighborhoods they actually serve. We backed them up with professional real-world photos, text, trucks, and job sites on both their Google business profile and their website because authenticity converts. We also cleaned up their digital footprint by fixing or removing old citations, bad backlinks, and inconsistent business data. That's where Google can get confused about who they are and where they operate. The result was a complete visibility flip, from invisible to being obvious local choice when somebody searched for HVAC service in the area. The 7 steps I'm about to walk you through are the same foundation we use there. They work. The cost of skipping them is every call that goes to the competitor before they figured out who they were before you. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you didn't know, I am a local SEO and Google Ads specialist who helps service-based businesses turn online traffic into calls and revenue. Let's jump back into it. Here are the 7 steps. Step 1, fully optimize your Google business profile. Your Google business profile is the single highest leverage asset that you have in local SEO. It's not your website, it's your Google business profile. Most HVAC contractors set it up once, forget about it, and wonder why the phone isn't ringing. Let's go through pieces that actually matter. Primary category set to HVAC contractor. This is the main signal to Google about what you do in the searches you should show up for. If you pick something too generic like contractor or home services, Google doesn't know your HVAC and you'll lose map pack visibility to competitors who choose correctly. Second, your secondary categories, heating contractor, air conditioning contractor, air conditioning repair service, furnace repair service, stack all the relevant ones. This tells Google you handle a full spectrum of HVAC work without diluting your core service category. Service area setup. This is where a lot of contractors undercut themselves. Set your service area to every city you actually serve, but don't go too crazy. If you're based in Lakeland, Florida, and you serve Polk County, add Lakeland, Auburndale, Winter Haven, Bartow, Plant City. Don't add Tampa and Orlando just because you take a job there. Google can tell when you're overreaching and it hurts your rankings in the cities you actually want. Your business description, 750 characters. Use them. Write a clear description that includes a primary city and 2 to 3 primary service areas. For example, serving Lakeland, Auburndale, and Winter Haven, not half the state. 2 to 3 primary services, AC repair, AC installation, heat pump services, etc. What makes you different is a clear call to action. Don't be too broad. Those named services should match the real location pages on your website, so Google sees a tight connection between your Google My Business profile and your site structure. Services list. This is where you get a chance to tell Google what you do in the language your customers use. Add every service you actually offer: AC repair, AC installation, AC maintenance, furnace repair, furnace installation. Don't leave this section half filled. Every service you skip is a keyword you're handing to a competitor. Attributes. Open your Google Business Profile attributes section. Online estimates. Check it if you offer 24/7 service. This matters enormously for HVAC. Check it if you truly offer after hours or emergency work. Women-owned, veteran-owned, locally owned and operated. These build trust signals and filter visibility for people actively searching for those attributes. Fill them out if they apply to you. Most HVAC contractors leave this section blank. Fill it out completely. Photo cadence. Post a new photo to your Google Business Profile every week. Real job sites, truck in the driveway, tech working on an outdoor condenser, before and after of a coil cleaning or a filter replacement. Team photos in uniform, not stock images. Google can tell and so can customers. Here's a small but powerful tweak. When you upload those images, rename the files to your top target keywords and locations. For instance, AC-repair-lakeland-fl.jpg, heat-pump installation-winter-haven.jpg. These are ways that you can name the files, and you do that because it's another way to feed Google rich and consistent data about the services and cities you want to be known for. Step 2, build real service area and location pages on your website. Now let's move to your website. If you serve 10 cities and you have one service area page that lists all 10 cities in a bullet list, that page is doing almost nothing for you. You need one page per city you actually care about, not a copy paste page where you swapped Lakeland for Auburndale. Google spots thin duplicate content immediately. It doesn't rank. Each city or service area page needs unique content about what the HVAC service looks like specifically in that city, local schema markup, real photos from that city, city-specific customer reviews or testimonials. A page like this, built correctly, will rank for AC Repair Auburndale FL or Florida. In every variation of it, multiply that across 8 to 10 cities and you've built a lead generation machine that runs 24 hours a day. Make sure your primary service areas in your GBP description line up with these location pages. When Google sees the same cities in your GBP on your website and in your reviews, it has a lot more confidence that you rank there. Step 3, map your HVAC keyword universe. You can't rank for keywords you haven't mapped. There are 3 dimensions to your HVAC keyword universe. Dimension 1 is the service type: AC repair, AC installation, AC maintenance, furnace repair, heat pump service, ductwork, cleaning, indoor air quality, emergency HVAC. Dimension 2, your city modifier. Every service times every city you serve. Here's some examples: AC repair Lakeland FL, furnace installation Winter Haven, emergency HVAC Bartow, and so on. The dimension 3 is search intent. This is one most people miss. Emergency AC repair and AC maintenance are completely different searches from completely different people in completely different emotional states. Emergency intent, AC not working, AC repair near me, these people need somebody now. Your GBP and homepage headline need to capture these. Scheduled intent, HVAC tune-up, AC maintenance near me, these people are planning ahead. Your service pages and blog content capture these. If you serve commercial customers, these are a completely separate set of pages. Build separate pages for commercial work. Map your full keyword list before you build a single page. Every page on your website should own 2 to 3 target keywords and serve one clear search intent. Step 4, build your review engine and make reviews work harder. Let me tell you what the best HVAC companies in every local market have in common. It's not the fanciest website, it's not the biggest ad budget, it's reviews, and not just quantity, but velocity and quality. Google looks at how frequently you're getting new reviews as a signal of business activity and trust. A company that got 200 reviews 5 years ago and only 10 in the last 12 months looks less active than a company that gets 5 to 8 new reviews every single month. Build your review request system. Right after the job's completed, your tech or your dispatcher sends the two-touch review request. Touch 1, SMS at job close with direct Google review link. Touch 2, email follow-up 24 to 48 hours later if they haven't clicked. That's it, 2 touches. Set it up in your CRM or use a reputation tool. Automate it so you don't have to think about it. And do know if you need help with this, we can set it up for you. Here's the extra step most contractors miss. When you ask for a review, ask the customer to mention the service and the location in their own words. For example, AC repair in Lakeland, furnace installation in Auburndale, heat pump repair in Winter Haven. This gives more granular keyword data inside your reviews and compounds your trust signals around specific services in specific service areas. Over time, those review keywords reinforce to Google that you are the go-to HVAC contractor for those services in those areas. Respond to every single review, positive and negative. For positive reviews, thank them by name, mention the service, and mention the city. That response is not just polite, it's keyword rich and reinforces your local relevance. For negative reviews, respond calmly. Take ownership where appropriate and offer to make it right online. Never argue. Potential customers read how you handle complaints more carefully than they read the 5-star comment. Don't ignore Angie, Yelp, BBB, and other third-party sites. They rank for HVAC services in their own right, and having strong, consistent profiles on these platforms builds authority that flows back to local rankings. Step 5, run your HVAC content on a calendar. Here's the thing about HVAC content that most people get wrong. They post, "What is HVAC?" blog article, and call it content strategy. That's not strategy, that's one page. Real HVAC content strategy runs on a calendar in February, March, and publish pre-summer content. In August and September, publish pre-winter content. Keep evergreen emergency content live year-round. Build neighborhood pages in addition to city pages where it makes sense, especially in metro areas where people identify strongly with specific neighborhoods or communities. Add FAQ blocks to your service pages using fact schema markup. These can trigger rich results and surface your page directly in answer boxes. Step 6, citations, local links, and manufacturer pages. A citation is any mention of your business name, address, phone number on another website. For HVAC, some of the most important sources are directories: Angie, Home Advisor, Thumbtack, BBB, House, plus Yelp, Facebook, and your local Chamber of Commerce. Don't forget the local community. Those backlinks mean a lot. Make sure your name, address, and phone number are identical across every single platform. One letter difference or one abbreviation inconsistency can matter. Google cross-references these sources to validate your business data. Manufacturer dealer pages. If you're Carrier, Lennox, Trane, or similar dealer, those manufacturers run dealer locator pages on their own websites. Getting listed on those sites is a strong, relevant backlink from a nationally recognized, high authority domain pointing back straight to your website. Contact the manufacturer rep and make sure you're listed and that your information's accurate. Chamber of Commerce, membership, local business associations, city or county business directories, local sponsorships, and partnerships with other trades. These build hyper-local relevant signals that build big national directories, hyper-local relevant signals that big national directories can't replicate. And finally, step 7, track the numbers that actually matter. None of this works if you're not measuring it. I'm talking about 4 numbers. Number 1, GBP Insights. Track searches, views, and calls monthly. Number 2, Google Search Console for local queries. Search by clicks for your local money keywords. AC repair plus city, emergency HVAC plus city, and check the click-through rate. Number 3, call tracking. With dynamic number insertion tools like CallRail or What Converts, they let you know which traffic sources, organic, ads, Google Business Profile are actually generating calls and book jobs. Number 4, grid-based rank tracking. A tool that shows your Google Maps rank at each point on a geographic grid across your city. You might rank number 1 for AC repair right next to your shop, but 3 miles away, you're 7th. That's a gap. That's where to focus. Let's recap here. Number 1, fully build and optimize your Google business profile with HVAC contractor is your primary category and focused city-specific data. 2, build individual service area location pages for every key city you serve. 3, map your keyword universe before you build anything. 4, build your review engine. Ask for service plus location in the review and automate the follow-up. 5, run your content on the calendar, not at random. And 6, claim your manufacturer dealer pages. Fill every major directory and get real local links and citation. 7, track the 4 numbers: GBP calls, GSC local queries, call tracking, and grid-based local ranks. That's it. None of this is complicated. All of it takes time and consistency. And if you don't have time to do it, well, just reach out to me, Caleb Nation at Nation Media Design. I'd love to get you ranking in your local area and see the revenue coming in. If you want somebody to do it for you, or you want a free HVAC overview of what your HVAC digital presence actually looks like right now, go to nationmediadesign.com and click the link right in the top right to book a call, or go right below and you can book a call with me right now. We'll look at your GPP, your site, your rankings, and tell you exactly what we'd fix first. No pitch, no pressure, just real picture. Link is in the description. If this was useful, subscribe, because this is the first video in a series where we're going deep on local SEO for service businesses every single week. And I'll leave you with this: your competitor doesn't need to be better than you. They just need to show up on Google before you do. Don't let it happen. Thank you for sticking around. It's Caleb Nation from Nation Media Design, and have a great day. Like and subscribe if you already haven't. See ya.